Hi guys. So in this video we are going to talk about how to bounce back. Literally I have been discussing about this for almost 5 6 days, and I have yeah. So it is going to be almost 10 days where I am just doing nothing for my board examination. But here, one thing that I want to tell you that I have realized something, and that I want to share with you all, guys. So, what have I realized? I realized that I have been studying, I have been doing everything to get the first position, and I was obsessed about that. I was doing very much less than the deserve, or than the demanding condition for the, you can say, to top the examination. I wanted to prove myself the best. I wanted to prove that no one is better than me. I wanted to make the examination a testament of it. But as I as the time as the time passes, we realize our mistake. We often realize our mistakes, and I think we should work out to correct them, right? And that's it. That is why I have decided that my focus is not will not be on to top the examination, but to prepare for it, and to give the examination in the best way in which I can give it. Right? I don't know what will be my marks, and I literally don't know who will top the examination. And it is nothing to do with me. I just have to appear for the board examination, and I just have to do my best, right? And get a get try to write everything in a impressive way, so that there will be chances to impress the examiner, because that is the only way through which I can impress the examiner. That is my writing. So I need to focus on the writing rather than the result of that. Right? And this is the only way to be a hard worker without being overconfident. Like I literally have realized that there is nothing special in the result. There is nothing special in the outcome. There is nothing special in that outcome which is not in our hand, right? And if it is not in our hand, it is in God's hand. And God knows what to give, when to give, what to take, and when to take, and to whom to give, when whom to give. So I was focusing on the result, and I was just kind of, you know, I was thinking that I would. I was indirectly deciding that what would happen. That is the most, one of the most uh, kind of, one of the most foolish or silly thing that we can do. Challenging God, right? No, see, I want to top, and I would do everything to achieve that. But want to top, and be the topper are two different things, because it is not in my hand, right? What I can do is to prepare my best, to give my best, to achieve, right, the desired result, but I cannot predict. That is not my duty, right? I'm not even supposed to do that. So why to take stress by, trying to take others' duty? That is the God duties, that what I will get. But what I am supposed to do is the main thing, and that is what I'm going to do from right now onwards. And one thing that I want to share with you guys, that envy, jealousy towards other person makes you burn from inside. Literally, it is a truth that when you have envy, when you're jealous from any one of the, from anybody to anybody, with anybody, I would say. And jealousy generally, what is the cause or what is the reason of the jealousy is that the other person is doing better than us. And that is the only reason we get jealous with the person. The person who is better than us, the person who is doing everything in a better way than us, a person who is loved by everybody, a person who is smarter than us, a person who is influential than us, who is famous than us, we try to make that person inferior. We think like, why this person is so famous, why this person is on the top. I am deserved. I deserve to be on the top, and I would defeat this person. And in this race, we begin to jealous with the other person, and that jealousy begin to kill us from inside. And before that jealousy kill us, we must take the charge, and we must destroy this evil feeling. In this way, we would be protecting ourselves, right? As well as we would be shifting our focus towards the betterment of self rather than towards the demolition of the other. The other person is doing good. That is why, that is why the person is being loved by everybody. The person is smarter. That is why the everyone says that the person is smarter. The person works harder than me or harder than us. That is why he is on the top. Or even if it not if it not in this way that we are thinking, then always there is a reason why this is happening. There is a reason for that, right? We may not be aware of the reason, but we must not perceive the things negatively. And we must understand that if a person is better than us, we can learn from that person a lot. A lot. We can ask him or her that how he is or she is manage. I mean, able to make such a personality that is being loved by everybody instead of uh, instead of the jealousy towards that person. See, if you cannot encourage, or if you cannot tolerate uh, if you cannot tolerate your better, I mean the people who are better than you can, if you cannot learn from them, then sorry my friend, there is a defect in you. Why the evil feelings like jealousy, anger, compare comparison, why these feelings are able to conquer you, influence you? First of all, you must have the control of yourself. These evil feelings, if a person is better than you, it does not mean it does not mean that you should feel bad about it. If a person is loved by all, and if you're not, even if you're not, then there is nothing wrong. I mean, there's nothing wrong in that. There may be several reasons of why people love that person, why the people, consider that person more important than you or than me. And if you cannot manage this, then you are weak. And we are here to make ourselves more stronger. It's okay that you have these feelings, but it's not okay if you don't work out to defeat or to conquer these evil feelings. And that is why we are here on this journey, to make ourselves better. We are not here to compare ourselves with the other person, but we are here to make ourselves much more better than our previous version. If a person is better than us, it's totally natural. There are many people who are better than us, and there will be the father of every father, right? If a person who is better than me, there must be a person who is better than that also. And this chain is everlasting, right? So we should not feel bad about it. Instead, we should understand this, and we must, I would say, learn from the person, and we should focus on our growth, right? Instead, uh, feeling, making comment on other person, and getting jealous of that person, that is that is evil, literally evil, that will make you weaker. And that is, and we don't want that. We are not here to make ourselves weak, but to make ourselves strong, more strong, stronger, right? And we have to accept that yes, there are person who are better than us, और वो बेटर बहुत ऐसे हमें मिलेंगे जो हमसे बेटर होंगे। हर बाप का बाप होता है यार, हम उसे दादाजी कहते हैं। तो इसमें कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है कि हमसे कोई बेटर कर रहा है, लोग उसे ज़्यादा पसंद करते हैं। लोगों हमारे जो है, देखो ऐसा नहीं है कि, देखो हम कहते हैं कई बार कि हम किसी को पसंद नहीं करते तो इट्स ओके। नहीं यार, क्यों इट्स नॉट ओके? आप किसी को पसंद क्यों नहीं करते? देखो आप किसी को पसंद नहीं करते, चलो ठीक है, बट आप उस, देखो आप किसी को पसंद करते हो, इट्स ओके, लेकिन आप किसी को पसंद नहीं करते उसका एक रीज़न होता है, और वो रीज़न सिली ही होता है। देखो सबसे पहली बात तो देखो, हम सब ह्यूमंस हैं, हम सबको खुदा ने बनाया है, ईश्वर ने बनाया है, ठीक है। और जब हमें उसने बनाया है तो हम दूसरे इंसान से नफ़रत करने की हमें बस कोई वजह नहीं है, ईश्वर ने तो नहीं डाली। अगर किसी ने कुछ गलत भी हमारे साथ किया है तो उसे ईश्वर देख ही लेंगे, राइट। हाँ, अगर ऐसा गलत किया है कि हमें देखना पड़े तो फिर ईश्वर का नाम लेके अपनी जिम्मेदारी समझ के ऐसा कर लेना चाहिए। खैर मैं तो ये कहूँगा कि किसी से जलन रखना है या फिर इस टाइप की आपको फीलिंग आ रही है एनवी वगैरह की, तो इसका मतलब आप वीक हैं। उससे सीखिए और अपने आप को थोड़ा इम्प्रूव करिए। जय हिंद।